Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see part 2 of cursors. For better idea of this part of cursors, it is recommended that please watch part first of cursors. Also, this is our database cursor DB. This is grocery items table and these are the records. This is grocery category table having ID and category, and these are the records. Now cooking oil has price 100 and milk has price 47. Now we want to modify the prices. We can modify any number of items. Currently we are modifying the price of cooking oil and price of milk. If @item name is equal to cooking oil in between begin and end, set @price is equal to @price plus 20. If @item name is equal to milk in between begin and end, set @price is equal to @price plus 10. And here and here update query, update grocery items, set price is equal to @price where item name is equal to @item name. So now cooking oil has price 100 and milk has price 47. Now if we execute this, we get this result. Price of cooking oil has changed. Price of milk has changed. If we see here, now cooking oil has price 120 and milk has price 57. We modified price of cooking oil and price of milk with item name. But when we take item name, then we can make some mistake like spelling or space. These kind of mistakes may affect the result and we cannot able to get proper result. So we can use item ID. Cooking oil has item ID 101 and milk has item ID 103. Now cooking oil has price 120 and milk has price 57. At the rate item ID, and item ID of cooking oil is 101. Here also at the rate item ID and item ID of milk 103, and here also item ID, and here at the rate item ID. Select all these lines and execute. Now cooking oil has price 140 and milk has price 67. Now cooking oil has price 140 and milk has price 67. In this way we can modify the result with item ID. We have tables grocery items and grocery category. Here we can see ID of category. Now here we have taken query having inner join. If we execute this query, here we get name of category. If we execute here, we get error. So for taking category name, we have to make some changes. So select query is select grocery items dot item ID, grocery items dot item name, grocery items dot price, grocery category dot category from grocery items, inner join grocery category on grocery items dot grow category is equal to grocery category dot id. This is select query. Now for display the category, we have to declare category variable having data type varchar 50, and here also we have to take this variable category, and here also we have to take variable category. Now if we execute, there is no any error. Now we want to display category here. Here category and here variable category, and if we execute now, here we can see category in result. And here price of cooking oil and price of milk is increasing according to condition. Instead of print, we can use select also. Now we get this result when we use select. We have taken item ID variable. We can take item ID here or we can take separate item ID. So here, and if we execute, here we get item ID, but here we can see no column name, no column name. So here now we can see item ID here and here no column name. So here we have given column name as details and we have placed this code in bracket. So if we execute, now we get this result, and after every execution price of cooking oil and price of milk will increase. In this way we can use join query in cursor and we can get the result or output according to our requirement. That's all for part 2 of cursors. In this way we can create and use cursor in SQL Server and update data row by row or change data. That's all for cursor in SQL Server. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So, for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.